In today's video, we'll be talking about how to extract text from documents like this without having to manually type the text. Now, to do this, we are going to need some apps that make use of technology called OCR, which is short for Optical Character Recognition. Let's jump right in. The very first OCR app that we are going to be looking at is TextScan Pro. Now let's tap on the icon to launch TextScan Pro. Now this is what the interface of the TextScan Pro app looks like. And to start our scan, we tap on the plus button at the bottom and we have some options here. We have camera. So let's launch the camera. We are pointing it at this text here on this document. Of course, you can see that it's just a demo text, but let's just see how well it is going to extract the content of this document for us. Though, if you can see the very first line, you have an error there. It's supposed to be an S, but it gives us an E. So which means after scanning the document, you are likely going to have some errors. So it's good that after scanning and extracting the text from a document like this, you have to do some proofreading. Read through it to be sure that it is what you expected it to be. This is the image that we snapped and extracted the text from. From what I've seen here, the image is quite blurry. Let's take another one. Okay, this is a much cleaner version of that document. So from what we have just done now, we've seen that the quality of your photograph, that is the quality of your snap, determines how well the app will be able to extract and how accurate the extraction will be. So now, having gone through that, let's look at another copy of the same document but with a different font. Okay, let's step back, tap the plus sign again, hit on camera. Let's see how good this OCR system that is used in TextScan Pro. Now this is another limitation of OCR. The font that is used in the document determines quite a lot, because if the font is not very clear, it is obvious that the recognition system may not be able to interpret the document the way you expect. So, but at least we have learned one thing. But before we conclude, I would like us to do a quick scan of a handwritten document. Let's see how this particular OCR system is going to fare when it comes to handwritten documents. So let's see if this OCR system will be able to extract my handwriting. Well, as we can see, that the OCR system can actually extract and convert handwritten text into soft copy text without you having to manually type. So let's jump onto the next app. Let's see if the next app is going to fare better. At least you've seen the performance of TextScan Pro. The next app we are looking at is Text Scanner. So it's taking a few minutes to process. I hope that all the time taken to process is going to give us correct text. Okay, we've seen that it has given us the text from the document correct and clean. Let's see how it fares with cursive printed text, because as you can see, the text is not even legible at this point. So let's see how well or how poorly this particular OCR app is going to fare against handwritten text. At least we've seen that this other OCR app has extracted the text, the handwritten text, though not 100% correct, but at least it is legible. Assuming that you didn't have a lot of time to manually type all these things, you can actually extract these documents, you can actually extract this text, and then, take a few minutes to proofread and correct them. So the beauty of this OCR is mainly when you have a document and you just want to extract the text and then proofread. It doesn't mean that it's going to give you 100% correct. Of course, it will not give you 100% correct. But what you are having now, it's good enough to form a basis. Instead of manually typing the text, you can use these apps to extract the text on the go. And that will save you a lot of time and energy, I believe. If this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video.